Welcome back to Sapna Master IELTS, where you can contact for online classes. The number is given in front of you. I am here with the video, which is on writing task 2, and it was for general training, 20th March 2021, which was yesterday, and the students appeared for that exam. And what was the writing task 2? The sample answer is in front of you guys, so you can see what and how you can write in writing task 2 given above. So this topic was some people believe that residents are responsible for keeping the streets clean and tidy, while other people say that it is the responsibility of the government. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Students, ये जो topic है, this is about opinion essay, means आपको अपना opinion भी देना है. For that, the question is कि कुछ लोग जो believe करते हैं, some people believe जो residents हैं, they are responsible for, उनको अपनी streets clean रखनी चाहिए, tidy रखनी चाहिए, while others say that it is a responsibility of the government. So what do you think? So you will give your point of view also. Let's discuss here. I've just given the vocabulary. I've just given the statements, the ideas. It is not according to the format. So let's go ahead. It is often argued that government ki jagah pe we have written the state, it should take the responsibility because we need to ensure a healthy lifestyle for the citizens. However, जो दूसरे लोग हैं, others people believe that they are lying on the person in order to lead a healthy life. I mean, it is just a responsibility of a citizen, of a person जो वहां पे रह रहा है, of an individual. So I believe ये joint responsibility है of the individual and the government. दोनों को collaborative काम करना पड़ेगा, joint action लेने पड़ेंगे so that the streets are clean and tidy. The society is clean and neat and clean. So if it is argued on one hand, it is true that we have to see, here it is written, it is true that each person is responsible for their own life choices. Obviously, a healthy life, healthy body lives in a healthy mind, and healthy mind is also a healthy body. So it is our duty, our responsibility कि हम अच्छा खाना खाएं, we eat right and lead an active lifestyle. कोई भी हमारा लाइफस्टाइल जो है वो चेंज नहीं कर सकता है, ताकि और we ourselves do not want to lead a healthy lifestyle अगर हम नहीं चाहते हैं. So it depends on the person. To illustrate, अगर हमने example देनी है, the most textbooks जितनी भी हैं, they talk about the balanced healthy eating science में. However, over the time, much of this knowledge is put on the back burner where we are addicted to the fast food because we ourselves are addicted to the fast food. So it depends on the person whether to do it or not. Likewise, जैसे कि हमारे पास statutory warnings दे रखी होती हैं, we are given warnings like smoking kills and smoking is injurious to health, alcohol is harmful to health. So it is shown, it is flared up everywhere when we switch on a television. However, this doesn't deter people from these vices. Therefore, everyone must make healthy choices to ensure longevity and well-being. It means it depends on the person's choice, personal well-being के लिए, whether they keep the things clean, neat and clean, they want to live a healthy lifestyle, so they will definitely keep it neat and clean. On the other hand, having said that, it is also the government's, the administrative body, who must take the responsibility for maintaining the well-being of the population. Means वो उनका ध्यान रखें, उनकी responsibility है, उनकी questions, उनके constraints होने चाहिए कुछ ऐसे, so that उनकी health जो है citizens की वो perfect रहे. First, improving the health of the citizens ultimately leads to a decrease in the burden of disease and the healthcare. Obviously, building lucrative purposes जितने भी होंगे, building का infrastructure होगा, वो सब it will be dependent on the government. How to increase the burden, how to decrease the burden, it all depends on the government. If if the government has the right to seriously influence fast food chains and restrict the sale of alcohol and tobacco. In the same way, we can talk about the country, about the neatness and the cleanliness of this things. Here, the example is given the UK, and it just cares about the country's health, and it will be helpful if some of the costs will be reduced by a healthier society. So Here also, if you want to lead a healthy life, if you want to be neat and clean, and you want to keep your environment neat and clean, there should be some rules which are related to like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, as started by Mr. Modi. So you can talk about here, we can give an example here also. This will ensure less accessibility for the people and therefore improve the health of the population. What's more, government sponsored awareness, health awareness programs can help build a healthy lifestyle, means they can live a future with a better health. In conclusion, I believe both the state and the individual must work in hand to ensure a healthy life without the diseases, because clapping takes both hands. So if we want to improve the health, you can also give example here, you can also give the ideas here about the neatness, the cleanliness of the cities. The also you can give example when you are going to write about your paragraph. So you will talk about the things like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Also, you can talk about imposing certain norms, certain rules and regulations where the people will work on the neatness and the cleanliness of the cities. And hygiene wise, you can talk about the things because it is not discussed above. Also, you can talk about how to avoid pollution like water pollution, because of that mosquitoes, and you can discuss about that also. Then because of that a lot of diseases occur, they are spread, and this will help, and obviously this will improve, this will deteriorate the health of the citizens, of the individuals. So in your point of view, you will discuss all these things which are related to the question, which is related to the health ultimately. Earlier we have just given examples of the food chains and the health and related to the food, but here you can discuss why it should be neat and clean, why the society should be neat and clean, and how it can be done. So in this way, you have completed the sample answer. And for more details, you can contact me or you can write in the comment box also. I hope you have understood the topic. For the next video, be there because I'll be telling you about details about the 20th March review very soon. Take care, all of you. Bye-bye.